Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Lilian Herbert channel, at ito ay panibagong achievement ng aking anak guys. At syempre yung team niya kasi champion na naman sila guys sa kanilang event na sinalihan.
Okay, let's go.
So, ayan na nga guys, at worth it naman guys ang kanilang pagod, tapos hirap sa practice nila kasi after school sila nagpa-practice guys, so gabi na sila natatapos. So, ito, sobrang worth it kasi nag-champion naman sila. So, ayan, share ko lang ang achievement ng aking anak guys. At syempre, yung team naman niya ay nagko-cooperate naman, kaya ayan. At deserve naman nila guys kasi pinaghirapan naman nila ang kanilang mga practice. So ayan, nagbunga naman ng maganda. So ayan guys, thank you so much for watching, and mega love shout out to all my subscribers, my viewers, my silent viewers, aking mga members, at sa lahat ng pupunta palagi sa premiere ko, mega love shout out, and God bless. I love you all guys, ingat kayo palagi.